seen this morning some mist and fog patches around first thing. As we made our way through the day, these eventually lifted and cleared. The cloud thinned and broke to allow for some brighter weather into the early evening. Some sunny spells at time. Tomorrow we'll see this continue with temperatures at about 10 degrees Celsius at the absolute best. Thank you and good evening to you all. You will have seen this morning some mist and fog patches around first thing. As we made our way through the day, these eventually lifted and cleared. The cloud thinned and broke to allow for some brighter weather into the early evening. Some sunny spells at time. Tomorrow we'll see this continue with temperatures at about 10 degrees Celsius at the absolute best. Thank you and good evening to you all. You will have seen this morning some mist and fog patches around first thing. As we made our way through the day, these eventually lifted and cleared. The cloud thinned and broke to allow for some brighter weather into the early evening. Some sunny spells at time. Tomorrow we'll see this continue with temperatures at about 10 degrees Celsius at the absolute best. Thank you, and good evening to you all. You will have seen this morning some mist and fog patches around first thing. As we made our way through the day, these eventually lifted and cleared. The cloud thinned and broke till now for some water